fun. Look, Peter, Smash Mouth is playing here next weekend.
In Quahog?
No, in this porn store.
Well, you caught us. Lois and I are stocking up for a very special anniversary evening, and I'm not sure that 5% discount was worth checking in here on Facebook. Ew, Meg, don't like that. Anyway, to celebrate, we thought it would be fun to recount the 3 greatest love stories ever told. We'll begin with the tale of Helen of Troy, the face that launched 1,000 ships, which is the poetic way of saying Helen of Troy was thick, though, which is the black Twitter way of saying she was very attractive.
Okay, I had a feeling this fortress would be impenetrable, so I've hired the finest builder in Greece to make us a giant wooden horse. We'll hide inside it, they'll take it in as a gift, and then we spring out and destroy the city. I call it the Trojan horse.
Oh, that sounds great, but there's another door right here that's just beads.
What?
Yeah, just beads. See?
Oh boy, this is gonna be a difficult phone call.
Let's go, let's go! This needs to be done yesterday. Hello, Giant Horse Company, pay on delivery, no deposit required. Can I help you?
What? Where the hell is everyone?
They left a note. It says, Helen and Paris went back to the Greek Isles to get married.
And all 3 of Helen's fathers are going to be there?
They came.
Awesome! And now that we're owned by Disney, we can have Hercules here. No? They won't let us use him? What was the point of this whole merger? Well, who can we use? Launchpad McQuack? No. You know what? I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted with being told no. And now I'm married. Ugh. I'm gonna go break wieners off statues.